In this video, I'm going to show you how to massage and release the upper body by the shoulder blade and ribs so you can raise your arm higher. Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. This week I'm going to show you how to massage and release the side of your shoulder blade and ribs. When the fascia and muscles get tight in this area, you will have limited range of motion like raising your arm. These massages will help you release the tight spots on the side of your upper body so you can raise your arm higher. First, I'm going to massage the ribs under the shoulder blade. With closed fingers, pull the muscles over the ribs forward. I have my arm up so you can see it better, but if you lower your arm, it creates a slack and you can go deeper. Also, curl your fingers if you want to dig deeper. If there is a tight spot, go over it several times. Another way to massage this area is to put your closed fingers on a tight spot and rotate your arm. If you can't reach here, no worries. I will show you how to massage this area in another way without having to reach shortly. Next, put the thumb in the armpit and grab the shoulder blade. Pull the muscles on the shoulder blade as you dig in your thumb in the armpit. Notice any tight spots on the shoulder blade. If you can't reach this area, or if you want to massage without an effort on your hands, find a towel long enough to make a knot. Lie down on your side on the floor and put the towel knot under the side of the shoulder blade and rock your body back and forth. This is much easier if you have a space to lie down because you get to use your body weight to massage. If the knot is too small, bunch it up and make it bigger. The towel knot is much gentler than a tennis ball and it's easier to change size. And if you're traveling, this is a nice option instead of packing the ball. Move the towel to hit different spots on the side of your body. Move the towel deeper on the shoulder blade and look up diagonally and rock back and forth. Now you're massaging different muscles on the shoulder blade. Repeat on the other side. You probably have different tight spots, so you need to move the towel to find the yummy spot for you. I have an old shoulder injury on the right side, and it's getting tighter lately. I have a spot that radiates to a different part of the shoulder, and it feels really good. Have a good neck stretch too while you're at it. I need to do this more often. I hope this is helpful to increase the range of motion around your shoulders. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when my videos up and out.